Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Wix XP cartridge oil filter, number 57047XP. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. This filter was in service for 1 year, 2,000 miles, and came off his mother's car, a 2016 Toyota Camry. Yep, the one with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's similar to the one pictured in this video. She was using Mobil 1 0W20 full synthetic oil during this period. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your end here, filtration. Okay, so here's the filter number, Wix 57047XP, and it says China, so it's made in China. And there's no other writing on this filter. It's got a metal crimp seam, and I counted 44 pleats. And this is a synthetic blend media, according to Wix's website, but I couldn't find a micron rating. Yeah, so this is nice thick material. And you can see there's no plastic inner core, it actually has a metal screen backing. And it's magnetic also. So it's a metal screen backing in there. And that's what holds the filter together. So like I said, there's no plastic core inside. Okay, let's get the width of this filter. Let's call that 2.3. 2.3 inches wide. Alright, and that's about it for this filter. So let's cut this open, stretch it out, see what it looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, so here's this Wix filter all stretched out. And this filter is 57 inches long. Okay, now let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.98 millimeters thick. Here's the filtering side, back side. You can see what back side is a lot cleaner. And I took a picture of from this sample right here, and it's got some light spots in it, so it looks like, you know, it doesn't filter the greatest. Well, let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see in the picture, there's a few carbon particles in there, and there is some light spots. You can see the light coming through the filter media. So like I said, it's not the greatest micron rating, I wouldn't think. And let's take a look at this filter up close. So we got a spot here, it didn't even filter. The pleats were together. I'm sure the wire was, I'll see the wire in a few minutes, but the wire was probably holding it together. You can see there's a few places that it really didn't get to it really, the oil. But it's pretty clean. It's just on the surface a little bit. There's no sparklies. Yeah, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So there's not really much to these filters. Here's the metal backing. You can see it here all throughout. It went all throughout the filter. And it's definitely a metal backing because it's magnetic. So it's ferrous. And it holds its shape when you bend it. And you only have these 2 end caps, plastic end caps, and that's it. That's the whole filter. What do you guys think about this filter? I think it's a little overpriced. $19.99 at O'Reilly's. I'm sure you can find it cheaper somewhere else, but you know, O'Reilly's is, for me, it's right next door. And again, I want to thank John for sending me this used Wix oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. Yep, pretty clean.